The Newport Gazebo was sold at Big Lots and Home Depot. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your gazebo, please refer to the manufacturer model number L-GZ660PST. The model number should be located on a tag on the original canopy or instructions manual. The approximate frame size is 11 by 13 feet, two-tiered with a domed curve roof structure. A few key identifiers for this gazebo are: the shape of the gazebo is an octagon, finial ornament at top center of frame, arched bar design around top perimeter of gazebo, lattice design at bottom fence panels. The canopy attaches to the gazebo by pockets. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit the Newport gazebo. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric, from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have Dura Pocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We're here to help.